Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply change numbers in your Google account on PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser and make sure you log in with your Gmail account, username and password. After you have successfully logged in, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on your icon right here, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage your Google account, and you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to security right here. Then from this section here, what you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to phone number right here. Click on phone number, and it's going to pop up like so. Next thing you need to do, as you can see, recovery phone number. So for you to change the phone number right here, what you need to do is to simply click on this pencil icon. After you click on this pencil icon, a window is going to pop up asking you to click on next. Then when you click on next, enter your new phone number and wait for the verification code that will be sent to you by Google to confirm and verify the new phone number that you just added to your Google account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.